Have you tried everything when it comes to fat loss and failed? Have you consumed so much information on the internet that you are confused about fat loss? And are you at that point in your life where you are not sure where to start your fat loss journey? If your answer is yes to any of these questions, आप सही जगह आए हो. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and this is Amber Sood. Welcome to the first of many videos in my fat loss series. This is a topic that a lot of people struggle with. इसलिए मैं एक वीडियो नहीं बना रहा हूँ इसके बारे में, मैं पूरी सीरीज बना रहा हूँ ताकि ये आपको हेल्प कर सके एंड यू कैन देन हैव ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट यू नीड टू बी एबल टू हिट योर फैट लॉस गोल्स ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. मैं खुद फैट लॉस फेज में हूँ अभी एंड आई वांट टू यूज दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हेल्प एज मेनी पीपल एज आई कैन बाय गिविंग यू टिप्स, ट्रिक्स, मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू फैट लॉस. जैसे कि आपका डाइट कहाँ पे होना चाहिए, आपका प्रोटीन इंटेक क्या होना चाहिए, how you should manipulate your sleep, how you can manage your metabolism, how you can track your progress, how weight fluctuates during your fat loss journey, and a lot of other things in your journey that you will face while trying to hit your fat loss goals. इसके बारे में बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स हैं and I want to make separate videos on it so that I can go into detail and आप सारे concepts समझ सको. But before I go into these topics, आप ज़्यादा confused हो जाओगे. In this video, I want to make you understand the basic of fat loss and help you understand the concept of fat loss so that it sets you up for success. अगर आपके पास fundamental concept का understanding नहीं है, you will definitely hit failure and you will get disappointed in your journey within a few days, a few weeks. आप give up कर लोगे, again you will start watching new videos on YouTube and आप back to square one आ जाओगे and you will not be able to see any kind of progress. आपका भरोसा उठ जाएगा and you will never want to do it again. Okay, so this is a foolproof plan that I want to give you guys and this is the first video to help you do that. सबको लगता है कि फैट लॉस में सिर्फ एक ही कंपोनेंट है जहाँ पे आपका वेट स्केल पे रिड्यूस होना चाहिए and that is far from the truth. The amount you weigh on the scale is just a number and nothing more than that. This is something that you need to understand before going into your fat loss journey because a lot of people जब वो 1 kg वेट इंक्रीज देखते हैं they will think that they've failed and they will stop doing what they're doing and they will start doing new things. Green tea पियेंगे, वेस्ट ट्रेनर खरीदेंगे, they'll start seeing what other people are doing, HIIT workouts करेंगे without any reason behind it. ठीक है, they'll start panicking and they'll start doing things that they're not supposed to do just because they're not seeing the results that they want. Instagram खोल के वो देखेंगे कि इसका बॉडी ऐसा है तो I want to do this, इसका बॉडी ऐसा है तो I want to do this, ये कीटो कर रहा है मेरे को कीटो करना है. This is far from the truth. The concept of fat loss is much more than just that number on the scale and this video is going to help you understand just that. But आप पूछोगे कि why is it not important? See, it is important but it is not the most important thing and I'll tell you why. Our body is made up of two things, ठीक है? Fat mass and fat free mass. Okay, when it comes to fat mass, it only includes the amount of fat that your body has and fat free mass is everything else in your body. आपके bones, आपका skin, आपका blood, the water in your body, ठीक है, and of course the most important thing is the muscle mass in your body, ठीक है. These are all the things that make up your fat free mass, but everything other than fat free mass is your fat mass and that is a negative thing. That is something we want to remove because अगर आप अपना fat mass reduce करोगे, you will look better, you will feel better, you will perform better and eventually the weight on the scale will reduce, ठीक है. But that is the last thing that you need to see because जैसे कि आप वेइंग स्केल पे खड़े हो एंड यू टेक अ बॉटल ऑफ वाटर इन योर हैंड, ठीक है, आपका वेट बढ़ेगा बिकॉज दैट 1 or 2 liters ऑफ वाटर विल वे समथिंग. आप वो बॉटल को फेंक दो, आपका वेट रिड्यूस हो जाएगा अगेन. सिमिलरली इफ़ यू हैव वाटर रिटेंशन इन योर बॉडी, आपकी बॉडी के अंदर ज़्यादा वाटर है तो द वेट इन द स्केल विल गो अप. दैट डज नॉट मीन इट इंक्रीजेज योर फैट मास, राइट. द अमाउंट ऑफ water retention your body has doesn't equal to the amount of fat that you have in your body. वो concept बहुत अलग है. Our aim in this process, ठीक है, in this entire series will be to reduce fat mass. You need to retain the muscle mass because that will help you reduce the fat mass as well. That will improve your metabolism, that will improve your performance. वो आपको जिम में strength बढ़ाएगा आपका. So these are the things that is very important and the benefit of retaining muscle mass. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरे को मसल नहीं चाहिए, like I don't want to get bulky. That is not the case. मैं 8 साल से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ and I'm still looking like this, ठीक है. If you keep your nutrition in check, if you keep your calories in check, आप बल्कि नहीं होंगे. But it is a very good understanding to retain as much muscle mass as you can. okay, and this is something that we will abide by in the entire fat loss series. अब मैं कुछ examples दूंगा that you might relate to and that you might be in the situation right now as well. Just before you start your fat loss journey, आप या तो obese रह सकते हो where you need to lose a lot of weight, and if you make any kind of changes in your lifestyle and if you make any basic small changes as well, आपका lifestyle इतना fucked up था पहले कि any changes you make will lead to a drastic change in your weight as well. ठीक है, तो आप weighing scale पे चढ़ोगे, आपका weight for example 130, 140, 150 kgs हो सकता हो. In the coming few weeks or months, you might even lose 10 kgs in 1 month. I've seen that myself with my clients and it is possible. वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपका water weight होगा. आपके लाइफस्टाइल चेंज की वजह से योर बॉडी इज़ गेटिंग शॉक्ड विद द न्यू लाइफस्टाइल दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट यूज टू, एंड आपका बॉडी रिएक्ट करेगा. ठीक है, एंड यू माइट सी अ लॉट ऑफ weight reduction, but again understand that that is water weight. You're not losing 10 kgs of fat at that very moment. ठीक है, so understand that अगर आपका weight ज़्यादा तेज़ी से नीचे जा रहा है because you're obese, it's a good thing. Use that as motivation, but don't think कि that same amount of weight is going to be reduced month after month. ठीक है, वो starting में होता है, that's the golden period, and that also is true for someone who is very new to the process. अगर आप कभी पहले फैट लॉस फेज़ में नहीं गए हो, या आप ट्रेनिंग नहीं किए हो पहले, या आपने डाइटिंग नहीं की है, तो यू विल डेफिनेटली सी अ ड्रास्टिक चेंज इन योर वेट एंड यू माइट इवन पुट ऑन मसल एंड लूज फैट एट द सेम टाइम. नाउ दिस इज़ अ केस वेयर आपका वेट चेंज नहीं होगा. 1, 2, 3 हफ्ते के लिए आपका वेट एकदम सेम रहेगा, और इवन इट माइट गो अप. ठीक है, बिकॉज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू आर ऑल्सो पुटिंग ऑन मसल मास एंड यू आर लूजिंग फैट एट द सेम टाइम. So you will look better, you will perform better, you will feel better, but आपका weight same रहेगा या ऊपर भी जा सकता है. So that is the reason why you should not depend on the scale and the number on the scale. ठीक है, पैनिक होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, because it's a good thing that you are retaining muscle and it does not matter how much you weigh as long as you are reaching your goal, you are looking better, you are feeling better, and you are retaining as much muscle mass as possible. That's the reason why I am telling you कि fat mass is what you have to reduce, muscle mass is what you have to retain. Okay, and that will be the case at any point in your fat loss journey. No matter how much weight you have to lose, you still want to retain muscle mass. बहुत लोग ऐसे सिचुएशन में होंगे कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से they have put on weight and their lifestyle again has kind of screwed up, and उसके वजह से उनका वेट बढ़ गया है and they are not happy with the way they look. They are mentally also affected, and in those cases again we need to remind ourselves कि how to get back to our good habits, how to get back to that lifestyle, and how to get back to training and eating the correct way. When you start making those changes in your lifestyle, you will see a difference. But again, you need to think about your activity level, you need to think about your training, you need to think about your nutrition, all of those things together, and only then you will see a difference. And lastly, you may also be someone who has been doing this for a while. ठीक है, आप 1-2 साल के लिए कर रहे हो, and right now because of the lockdown, because आपका gym access नहीं है, you might be stalling with your weight, you might not be seeing the progress that you want. Sometimes even when you are doing everything correct, आपका weight budge नहीं होता. That's when you have to see the very, very small details of your training, your nutrition, your lifestyle, and see what are the small things, small changes that you can make that you might not be seeing in your lifestyle yourself. अगर मैं आपको टिप्स दूंगा, उसमें से आप एक चीज़ नया इम्प्लीमेंट करो, आपको डेफिनेटली वो रिजल्ट्स दिखेंगे. ठीक है, सो थ्रू दिस वीडियोज़ आई वॉन्ट टू बी एबल टू गिव यू एज मच इन्फॉर्मेशन एज पॉसिबल, ताकि आप जो भी सिनारियो में हो आपको बेनिफिट हो, आप कुछ नया ट्राई कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली देन सी व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू एंड व्हाट इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट इन योर लाइफ स्टाइल टू बी एबल टू सी द रिजल्ट्स दैट यू वांट. ठीक है, everyone is different, different tips might work for different people, different concepts might work for different people, but the main thing that we are going to be focusing on is consistency and what is something that you can fit into your lifestyle. So the main aim of this video is to help you understand कि हम लोग का aim है fat loss, not weight loss. ठीक है, it's a very big difference, and this is something that if you understand before going into a fat loss journey, it's better for you. ठीक है, fat mass is what leads you to become obese. Fat mass is what leads you to having health issues in the future. So that is something you need to prioritize and that is something that you need to see whether you are losing or not. मैं आपको सेपरेट वीडियो में बताऊंगा कि आपका ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कैसा रहना चाहिए एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन व्हेन इट कम्स टू ट्रेनिंग एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर न्यूट्रिशन एज वेल, ताकि आप अपना प्रोटीन हाई रखो एंड यू कैन अगेन रिटेन एज मच लीन मसल मास एज पॉसिबल. ये पूरा सिस्टम हम लोग क्रिएट करेंगे ताकि आप अपना लीन बॉडी मास रिटेन कर सको एंड लूज एज मच फैट मास एज पॉसिबल. I hope this concept is something that you have understood and something that you can carry on for the next few months or even years to understand that ये process long term है. There's no quick solution to it, and I'm going to release at least 10, 15, maybe 20 videos to help you understand the different components of fat loss. And I hope this first video helped you with understanding the concept of fat loss and what you need to keep in mind before going into a fat loss journey. If you like this video, please like the video. Share it with someone who needs to join us on this fat loss journey and get commenting. I'm more than happy to help you guys with whatever questions you have in the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.